Hey guys, welcome to Drivetrain. My name is Charlie. I'm the lead technician on Drivetrain. Here in this area, like you see, we do the drivetrain install from LS3 6-speed auto transmission to a manual transmission, LC9 or Land Rover engine. Depends on your options, the options that you want. We start building the engine on a pallet, getting the frame out of tear down, cut mounts, well, the new mounts on it. I do the fuel system first on the frame. I get the fuel tank, I run the fuel line from the back to the front. Then I get the bulkhead installed on it. We get the engine with transmission and transfer case on it. Then we do all the connections in between the bulkhead and the engine. We do radiator hoses, transmission cooler lines, engine cooler lines, power steering line. All of that is custom made. We're using a Chevy engine on a Land Rover frame, so everything has to be custom made for the vehicle. We do brake lines, we get master cylinder brake booster, all that stuff on the bulkhead. And we basically give it the heart of the vehicle. And at that point, and then we move it to electrics. We make sure that everything is sealed, everything works fine before we move it, and then we do the final fire up at the end of the line. Okay, the first fire up, what we do is we prime the engine. We make sure that the engine got oil everywhere before that's first dry. You don't want to do that with a dry engine. Even when the factory said that they primed the engine before, we're gonna make sure that it's done right. So we use a Miller priming machine. We make sure that we got oil pressure everywhere, and we go for the first fire up. We check that we don't have any coolant leak, oil leak, fuel leaks, and then from that is the final inspection and the vehicle is ready for go.